your area.
%, chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for far northeast Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Lake County in northeast Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Bannockburn, or near Deerfield, and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Glencoe and Northfield around 5 o'clock p.m., Winnetka around 5:05 p.m., Kenilworth around 5:10 p.m. Other locations affected: Lake Forest College, Ravinia Music Festival. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This